Hi, it's Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. Today we have a 7-week postoperative result on a beautiful 27-year-old woman who underwent a removal and replacement of breast implants. Previously, she had 285 cc moderate implants. We bumped those up to 485 cc moderate plus implants. To do that, to basically double the size of her implants, it wasn't going to fit on her tiny frame. She's a legitimate 30 inches in circumference here. That's very small compared to the average person. She's 5'4" and weighs about 105 pounds. With a narrower implant that has more projection, we were able to still fit on her 30-inch torso without having the implant be out here in her armpits. I think the balance is really great. I love the position of her areolas where it's balanced on the two sides here. She's not looking cross-eyed or having divergent nipples. She's got gorgeous medial fullness here and what I would consider is a really nice ideal distance between the breasts for this fuller look that she's seeking. She has inframammary incisions on each side. They're perfectly positioned and very difficult to see. And my compliments to her for protecting her skin from the sun. I think she knows she's got something very valuable here and wants to protect it, and I'm glad that she is. This is Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. If you're interested in breast surgery and our rapid recovery techniques, you've got to check out our website, drstoker.com. We've got over 10,000 beautiful before and after pictures on there for you to review. Also check us out on our social media. We're active on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And on our YouTube channel, we have over 1,100 videos so far. Make sure you send us your contact information with your email or your cell phone, or simply email us directly at info@drstoker.com. This is Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles.
Good.